Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can add friends on Facebook using your phone. So the steps are simple. All you have to do is log into your account and then tap on friends at the bottom. It's the second icon right here. And then here you should be able to see a list of requests that you have or a list of people who have invited you to become their friend on Facebook. But if there is none, then that's okay. Here, what you want to do is just tap on upload contacts. And what this will do basically is that Facebook will access your contacts, see who is on Facebook among them, and just suggest those friends to you so that they could become your friends on Facebook. So for example, I tap on upload contacts. Here should be a list of the people who are in my contacts that I can add to be friends on Facebook. So if you're decided, then just add friend, tap on that, and the invite will be automatically sent to them. But for now, I would just skip this. So that is the first method that you can do. The second one is basically just typing in your friend's name or whoever you want to add on Facebook. So for example, I'm just gonna type in my other account and search that. And here, once you have seen your friend's account or your friend's name, then just tap add friend. And that would also automatically just send the invite to them. Once they see the invite or the request and they approve, then you would be friends on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you on the next video.